Here in Lesson 7, we focused on the concepts of building more robust class definitions. We talked about the concepts of encapsulation and information hiding, and in particular how those enable us to build classes that are easier to maintain, modify, and debug. We showed you how to use the keyword this both implicitly and explicitly to reference members of your class. And we also introduced the concepts of static data and static methods inside of your class. And you saw that with static data, all of the objects of your class can share the same piece of static data. As part of that same example, we also discussed some of the key concepts of garbage collection in Java. We then showed you how to import the static members of a class for use in another source code file so that you could use those static members without having to qualify them by their class name. And we showed you how to create a robust version of an enumerated type. And then finally, we showed you how to create a package of classes for reuse purposes. And in fact, most of the classes that you ever create in Java should be packaged, as we showed you at the end of this lesson. So that brings us to the end of this live lesson, Java Fundamentals Part 1. In Java Fundamentals Part 2, we're going to focus on object-oriented programming concepts, including inheritance, where we build new classes by inheriting capabilities from existing classes, polymorphism, where we're able to write parts of our programs that focus on a so-called superclass type, even though we'll be processing objects of many subclass types. For example, the concept of calculating employee payroll for all sorts of different types of employees, or a drawing program that can draw any type of shape. We'll also be taking a look at some other concepts, including an introduction to graphical user interfaces and event handling. We'll show you how to make your programs more robust by using Java's exception handling mechanism to trap problems as they occur at runtime and hopefully deal with those problems. And finally, we'll take a detailed look at the Java Collections Framework, which is Java's built-in set of data structures. I hope you've enjoyed the course that you just saw. If you did and you're interested in the possibility of some on-site corporate training, we do offer these courses as on-site courses for both Java and for other programming languages as well. And don't forget about the book Java How to Program 7th edition, on which this live lesson was based. That book is up to the minute with Java Standard Edition 6 and is also full of additional concepts that are not presented in these live lessons courses. In particular, we've got features that go into Java Enterprise Edition as well for building data-driven web applications. A lot of interesting stuff in the book. So I hope you've enjoyed, and thank you for watching.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than live lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.